I got this great package from UPS. The box is a Seiko box, and here I'm speeding up the opening. When I was opening it, I thought, oh, here comes some new Seiko 5s, but lo and behold, check that out, the new Seiko 55th anniversary watch. How cool is that? So don't worry, you all. This is not the full review or the full talk about these watches. It's just a quick unboxing. It was a surprise to me. Like I said, I thought it was a couple of the new Seiko 5s coming in, but these awesome beauties showed up. And these are the 55th anniversary trio. All these watches are super limited. Each one limited to only 1,100 worldwide, and all of them have basically a Grand Seiko movement in it. The 8L35, very, very cool, and what a neat little package to arrive. And here we got the last one, going to be opening up. And here, this will be the 1975 Tuna. The first one, of course, was the 65 original dive watch. And here you got the Tuna, yep, 75. Very, very cool. It's titanium and a zircon ceramic for that. So here, look at these guys stacked up. Looks so cool. Professional divers, 1,000 meters, 300 meter, and the 200 meter. The 55th anniversary set. The holy trinity of Seiko dive watches. First, you have here the 1965 original dive watch Seiko made. These are phenomenal, and I can't wait to talk more about them. Here, the presentation is outstanding. As I've complained before in other videos, Seiko really shies away from presentation. Here's the 68, and here's the 75 Tuna again. But these are really cool boxes. Just the box makes you kind of want to get it, because it looks like it's presented in a museum type format with all the information there right on the box. Very cool. Here we go. Let's take another look at these guys. The 75, 68. Again, all of them have the Grand Seiko type caliber, the 8L. So this was a quick unboxing. I will devote time to each special watch here in other videos. Thank you. Have a good one.